Hi everyone, we are going to do a quick tutorial on how to search for books in the Berkeley City College Library catalog. So I am starting from the Berkeley City College Library homepage, and I'm going to go down and click on this link that says Find, and select the first link that says Book and Textbook Catalog. So one thing that you should know is that you can search for and borrow books from any of the Peralta Community College libraries. So that means that you can borrow books from Laney, Merritt, College of Alameda, or Berkeley City College. I will show you how to do that when we get to our search results. So when you start searching for books, you want to use your broadest search terms. So when you were developing keywords for your research topic, you want to use those search terms that are the most broad. So I'm going to do a search for police brutality. So here I get to the results screen, and you will see that I have approximately 25 results, which is decent. And this is going to be a lot of physical books in the library. And there may also be some ebooks mixed in here as well. So let's take a look at what we have. So remember how I told you that you could borrow books from other colleges? This defaults to just showing you the books at the BCC library. I can click this drop-down menu and I can select PCCD library catalog if I want to search for books across all 4 of our libraries. For now, let's just work with what we have here. So before I look at any results, I want to show you how to refine the items that you get. So let's say that I got too many books and I wanted to refine my results. I can refine them by either physical books held at the library, or I can refine them to looking at books that are online only. But this doesn't represent all of our ebooks, so I don't suggest doing that. I will show you in another tutorial how to search for ebooks. You can also select by subject. So if I click on this drop-down menu, you'll see that I can select different subject areas. So I could say police brutality just in the United States, and then I would be looking at only 15 books. Let's look here to see what we have. And I'll show you guys how to figure out if a book is online or if it is a physical book. So I'm going to take these 2 examples, Policing the Planet and Police Training. I know that this is a physical book because it has a call number, which starts with HV. So you'll remember that that's part of the Library of Congress subject headings. And it says available at BCC Library Circulating Collection. This book, Police Training and Excessive Force, does not have a call number, and it says available online. So I know that that is an ebook. So let's say that I want to find out a little bit more about one of these books. So I'm going to look at this one, Invisible No More, Police Violence Against Black Women. So I open it up and I get some information. First of all, I get a nice picture, what the cover looks like, and this also tells me who the author is and when it was published. If I scroll down, it will tell me that it is available in our circulating collection. I'm going to use the call number to find it on the shelf. And then if I scroll down, I get more information, the subjects. So this will tell me the different subject headings. This could help me in refining my keywords. And then if I scroll down a little bit more, I get a description. So this is like an abstract. It tells me what the book is going to discuss. Below that, if there are a table of contents, you will also have the table of contents listed here. So if this was a book I was interested in, again, I would go up here and I would look at the call number. I'd write that call number down and I would go find it in the library shelves, or I would ask a librarian to help me. Okay, good luck and happy searching.